Child and adolescent psychology is the development of an infant's birth to an adult, the physical, cognitive, and psychosocial development of the human body. Infancy and toddlerhood. Infancy starts at the birth and ends around the age of 2. Parents are the most important influence at this point in an infant's life. As an infant, they are always growing, learning new skills, muscle movements, and reactions. In the physical development of infancy, their bodies and muscles continuously grow. The brain needs to be rested for repair and growth. Once the infant starts to develop and acknowledge their parents, they tend to give tantrums when they are separated from their parents. In cognitive development, infants will find the unique differences between objects. Infants will start to explore the world with engaging factors and be more content with the environment. The children will start to use representational thought to understand the basic objects and how these objects can be used as symbols in the world. In psychosocial development, the infant will start to converse with babbling words and their first words. They should also develop bodily functions, independence, and self-control.
Early childhood is a period of growth and learning. It's a period of life that children grow and develop. Gross motor skills incorporate large and ample movements, and they'll learn to run, crawl, and jump, or anything else that may or may not involve objects like a ball. The fine motor skills are more involved in the utilization of small muscle for the purpose like self-care and exploring the environment around them. The children may learn how to fasten and unfasten buttons or zippers, and this will help develop more hand strength and dexterity. The young children will start to make progress in the thinking skills and start to develop a more understanding of the complex world.
Middle childhood are the ages 12 to 6 years old. In this aspect of life, children are making growth in physical, mental, emotional, and social groups. In the physical development, kids are gaining 4 to 7 pounds and grow taller about 2 inches every year until puberty comes into play. The muscles grow stronger and become more flexible. As well, the tooth fairy will be coming around because their adult teeth will be coming in. The prefrontal lobe will start to mature and will not fully mature until the 20s. In the psychosocial stage of middle childhood, language education becomes a major effect of learning a second language. The older a person gets, the more difficult it will be to grasp the second language. Families can affect this part of a child's life as well. The structure of a non-traditional parenthood is a single parenthood, cohabitation, and same-sex and polygamy. Stress has 3 factors: size of stress, type of stress, and how the child will handle the stress. This will allow the child to gain resilience to their personality, their family environment, and the support outside the family.
Adolescence is the transition from childhood to adulthood, where many changes occur within the body. The first apparent thing is the growth spurt. Teenagers tend to get tall very quickly, mainly due to hormones, but a lot of different factors are involved, like genes and nutrition. And usually girls tend to grow several years earlier than boys, and this may cause them to become self-conscious about themselves, even when there's nothing wrong about it. It is also the age when the biological sex changes occur, like the menstruation for the girls and the first ejaculation for the boys. They start to think for themselves, creating their own ideas and questions, and considering many debates and ideas, verbalizing their own inner thoughts and questioning the world around them. They start to discover who they are and what they want in life, taking their time to explore the options and have a good understanding of what they want to believe.
This is our child and adolescent psychology video, and we hope you liked it.
Yes, sir.